Every top Walmart seller has this badge, and here's how you can earn it too. So we can see the Pro Seller Badge, and does it actually help with sales? Does it have good benefits? And the answer is yes, and yes, and yes. Now you can see this item right here, they're selling it, and they have a Pro Seller Badge. Now we can go over the Pro Seller Program. It's always nice to have a badge next to you, but what you want to do is see the benefits. So let's go over the benefits, right? And these are the actual benefits on Walmart itself. So you get up to 10%, you get a faster payout pretty much. Walmart's going to be paying you faster. You get 25% off, up to 25% off if you ship with Walmart. You also get capital by Walmart, and sometimes the capital is like 2% APR. So they'll give you like $5,000, and just 2% of that you have to pay back, or on top of that for interest, which is extremely good. They give you credit for stuff. You get the Pro Seller Badge. You should get search engine marketing credit, so you can run credit on ads, and then you should be able to get pro listing discounts. So they'll start giving you discounts, and you'll start saving Walmart fees. So at the end of the day, you're going to be saving money and getting access to capital and getting your money a lot faster. Pretty much Walmart's going to trust you at the end of the day. Now, this is Walmart's actual program. They're going to show you more benefits. So again, Pro Seller Badge, you get search engine marketing credit, pro listings, 10% referral fee discount. So you get, again, you're going to be saving money. Usually Amazon charges 15% or Walmart charges up to 15%. Saving 10% per sale is a significant amount. Capital, review accelerator, ship with Walmart discount, and then faster payouts. So again, it's going to be the same exact thing. I just wanted to show you what it actually looks like on Walmart's website. And then here is the eligibility criteria. So it looks difficult, but it's not. Okay, so it says on-time delivery rate needs to be at least at a 95%, right? For pro seller, that's all the way to the right, right? Cancellation rate, less than 1.5%. Seller responsiveness rate needs to be at least 95%. And as a seller responsive, you need to respond, I believe, every 48 hours. So, I mean, it's not that difficult. Shipping speed score has to be at least 50%. Content quality score, 75%. New, this one's updated, price competitiveness score. So you can't be ripping people off. Orders received, more than 100 orders in the past 90 days. You need to meet all of these requirements for 90 days straight in order to get the badge in the first place. In compliance with all marketplace policies. This one's kind of new, a little bit broad, but okay. So the easiest way to achieve this is all of these on-time delivery rate, cancellation rate, right? It's going to be using WFS. So instead of shipping yourself, using Walmart fulfillment services, that's going to help for 90 days straight on all of your listings. Pretty much you're going to get the badge within 90 days, as long as you're responding to customers, right? So make sure you're responding to customers within 48 hours, not that difficult. Shipping speed score, that's going to be covered with WFS. Content quality score, there's actually a tab in Walmart where you can implement better content quality. Again, 75% isn't super difficult to achieve, right? You just need to optimize your listings, and Walmart tells you exactly how to get your content quality score higher on the growth page. Price competitiveness score, again, Walmart's going to tell you how to do this. You can actually give them an ASIN on Amazon. They compare price competitiveness from Amazon. So just get an ASIN from Amazon, give it to Walmart. You can plug it in on the growth page, and then that's going to help you meet your price competitiveness score. Orders received, you obviously need to be generating orders for the last 90 days. You need to be doing this for the last 90 days. And this one's a little bit broad. I don't know exactly. I guess this means don't be suspended. So as long as you're not suspended, you're good to go. Once you're suspended, this completely resets. Let's say you got suspended and you almost achieved it, or you did achieve the Pro Seller Badge, they're going to take it away from you. And then once you get back, you have to do this again for 90 days straight in order to get the Pro Seller Badge again. So just keep that in mind. The Pro Seller Badge is solid. They're going to be giving more benefits. I do recommend to try to obtain it because it's only going to be a benefit for you in the long run. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content. It's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And one of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. We'll manage your Walmart inventory, call Walmart, customer service, advertising, increasing your sales, design, listing quality score, help you achieve the pro seller badge. We'll do it all for you so that way you can focus on growing your business, and we'll be the ones doing the nitty and gritty every day. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.